Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the split entry. So how you gonna use split entry against jab, cross, straight punches. If you find a boxer in street, so how you gonna use split entry. Okay, Imran, come. Okay, so the fighting position is there. Okay, now if he hits jab, cross, so first parry the jab. Okay, and against cross you need to parry it and then finger jab to the eye. So parry from outside and finger jab from inside. From here you can break his hand. Okay, you can put this down and then elbow hit and then hit. You can use any martial art in this, whether it's Jeet Kune Do, whether it's Pekiti Tirsia Kali or Wing Chun. Okay, so I'm showing you split entry from Wing Chun, how you're gonna use. So jab and then cross. Now you can finger jab him again and then trap Paksao to Paksao and then finger jab. Now the second, how you gonna use Jeet Kune Do in this. Now the split entry 1 and then 2, so you can kick and then punch and then again trap. So you can add groin kick in this in Jeet Kune Do. Now I am showing you the Kali way, okay, the Pekiti Tirsia Kali way. So the jab cross is coming 1 and then 2. Now from here you drag his hand and hit elbow and you choke his neck from your hand. Okay, now 1, open this hand and now turn his body and poke his eyes with your fingers and then you can break his neck, boom, down. Okay, so you can break his spine as well. Okay, now I'm showing you in flow. So this 1, 2, 3 hit. Okay, turn and then come here and then finger jab. Okay, now one more time, run, go. Great. Thank you so much for watching. You can use split entry like this. Thank you so much.